Hey everyone, if you've got a Wise digital card and want to know how to use it in stores, you're in the right place. First, open your Wise app on your phone. On the home screen, go to the Cards tab. If you haven't created your digital card yet, tap Get a Digital Card. It'll generate instantly. Once your card is ready, you'll see the card number, expiry date, and CVV. You can use this card for contactless payments through Apple Pay or Google Pay. To set that up, tap Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay right inside the Wise app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. It only takes a few seconds. Now, when you're at a physical store, just open your phone and hold it near the payment terminal, the same way you'd use a physical card. Make sure your phone's NFC is turned on. Once it's scanned, your payment will process instantly, and you'll get a notification from Wise confirming the transaction. And that's it. Thanks for watching.